Hi everybody, Ian Lowe here, CEO of Dacxi Chain, and I wanted to take a few minutes to share with you one of our regular updates on how the project is progressing, and we're very much now in the countdown period leading up to the launch later this quarter, which is hugely exciting. So a couple of things to fill you all in on. The first thing I wanted to talk about here is the platform development itself. So look, it's more good news. We're working hard. A lot of refinements have taken place over the last several weeks. And I think where the technology is today in relation to what we always expected we needed to have to conduct a successful launch, the technology is essentially exactly where it needs to be. So in terms of the actual platform itself and the partners that will use that platform, we're in really good shape. So we're feeling great about that. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the Dacxi Chain team. People are working around the clock, all sorts of crazy hours to make sure that this launch and the first deal that we announce shortly after that is really successful. And I just want to thank all of them and also acknowledge that hard work that's been invested to this point is the reason that we're in such great shape in relation to the launch and the first deal that we'll be excited to share with everybody really soon. So thank you to the team for all of their efforts. The final point that I want to share with you is about the actual foundation partners themselves. So these are the equity crowdfunding platforms that are working really closely with us to actually deliver the solution. I'm working personally on almost a daily basis with the CEOs of those companies, delving into the details of everything that the technology needs to be able to manage, in particular as we work across platforms, platform to platform through the Dacxi Chain infrastructure. So this covers everything from operations processes that these partners are already running, their compliance requirements that they have in each market of operation, the teams that are running that technology inside those organizations, and making sure they're synced with our own team in terms of the corresponding disciplines and skill sets across the whole range of activities. But also they're giving us direct feedback on a daily basis around some of the small refinements that will make this technology easier to use for them. So the power of that level of collaboration from these are licensed, established and highly reputable equity crowdfunding platforms in various markets around the world. The power of that collaboration is just absolutely enormous. So I really cannot wait, literally cannot wait to share with everybody the detail of not just the launch itself, but to share the detail with everybody of who those platform partners are. And we're on track to make that launch or to announce that launch before the end of this current quarter. So that's coming up very fast. And then shortly after that, we'll announce the first deal. So look, that's it from me, a quick update. Hugely exciting times. Everyone's running around working jolly hard, and I look forward to sharing more with you really soon. Thanks. Well, listen everybody, there's one final point I want to share with you, which is super exciting. I've just confirmed with the team that we are going to be ready to officially launch Dacxi Chain on the 28th of June. So this milestone that we've all been talking about and you've been waiting patiently for is now confirmed for the 28th of June. So we're enormously excited about that. There will be an official launch webinar on the 28th of June, and we'll share details about how you can register for that webinar very soon. Thanks very much.